In the world of demand generation, marketers want to spend their ad dollars on leads most likely to convert. In ZoomInfo Marketing, you have the power to use your lists to zoom in on your most promising leads. Whether you are working with a lead list or spreadsheet of target accounts, you can leverage your lists to create powerful targeted ad campaigns. This approach delivers precision targeting to reach exactly the right prospects, higher conversion rates than broad demographic targeting, and seamless integration for quick and efficient campaign launches. To get started creating an audience based on lists, first ensure you are in ZoomInfo Marketing using the waffle menu on the top right. From here, go to the Audiences tab on the left navigation icon, or expand the navigation bar and click Audience. To create an audience, select the button at the top right that says Create New Audience. There is several data sources you can choose from to build your audience. In this case, we will select Lists to open an overview of all your lists already created. If you already have lists created, you will see them here. Otherwise, you will need to create a new list by clicking the button at the top right that says Upload Lists, and the Upload List wizard will open. Here you will select the type of list you'd like to upload. You can choose either a lead list or an account list. Both options follow the exact same upload process. Next, select Audience List from the options, and then click Next to open the Input List tab. Here you have 3 options to input your list. You may select an existing list in ZoomInfo. Paste your list into the text box. Please note that account lists must include only one of the following: company names, company IDs, or company URLs, and lead lists must include only one of the following: person IDs or email addresses, or upload your list as a CSV file. Now name your list and add a description and click Next. Now map the fields from your CSV file to fields in ZoomInfo. Some will be detected automatically, but you will want to review the list manually to ensure there is no mistakes. Some matches may not have an equivalent match, and that is fine. Just match as closely as possible. Once mapping is complete, select Submit, and your list will upload to ZoomInfo. This is when the system takes over by matching the data from your CSV to accounts and leads in ZoomInfo's database. Select Finish to return to your lists. Now you are ready to build an audience based on your list. Find your list and select Create Audience to open the Audience Builder. You may now use filters to sort your audience into smaller segments. From here, you can also see that your leads are already associated with accounts. This shows how ZoomInfo is connecting the dots between leads and accounts. Once you are satisfied with your composition, click Next. Now name your audience and click Save. After processing, your audience will appear on the Active Audiences tab. Click the ellipses in the Actions column to create ad campaigns, export the list, edit the audience, and more. You can also expand the audience dropdown to review accounts, leads, firmographic, and campaign data. And with that, your list-based audience is ready to spring into action. Use list and audiences to increase the efficiency of your ad spending, power your campaigns to the next level, and to give those perfect leads a nudge at exactly the right moment.